Love English podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Love English podcast. This is Leo.
And this is Emma. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today.
Today, we have a very fun and colorful topic.
That's right. We are going to learn how to talk about our favorite colors and, very importantly, why we like them.
This is a great conversation starter. When you meet new people, you can ask them about their favorite color to get to know them better.
Exactly. And it is a great way for you, our listeners, to practice expressing your opinions with simple sentences. So let's start with the most important question.
The question is, what is your favorite color? Let's say it slowly. What is your favorite color?
Listeners, please repeat after us. What is your favorite color?
Excellent. Now let's practice how to answer. Emma, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue, a beautiful color. Why do you like blue?
I like blue because it is a very calm color. It reminds me of the beautiful clear sky and the big wide ocean. It makes me feel peaceful.
That's a lovely reason. Listeners, did you hear Emma's answer? She said, I like blue because is the word we use to give a reason.
Yes, it explains why. So what about you, Leo? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Why do you like yellow?
I like yellow because it's a very happy and bright color. It reminds me of sunshine and sunflowers. It makes me feel energetic and cheerful.
So blue makes me feel calm, and yellow makes you feel happy. It's interesting how colors can make us feel different emotions.
It is. So, listeners, you can practice this sentence. My favorite color is, and then you say your color. Then you can add because and give your reason.
Let's learn a few more colors and feelings. What about the color red?
Red is a very strong, powerful color. It can mean love, like red roses, or energy. You could say, I like red because it is an energetic color.
Good one. Another very common favorite color is green.
Green is the color of nature. It reminds me of trees, grass, and parks. So a reason could be,
I like green because it reminds me of nature.
Perfect. So we have blue for calm, yellow for happy, red for energy, and green for nature. These are just ideas. Your reason can be anything you want.
That's right. The most important part is to practice speaking. Let's see how this works in a real situation.
I love this part. Let's imagine Emma needs to buy a birthday gift for her friend. She is in a clothing store.
I am looking at some t-shirts, and a shop assistant comes to help me. The shop assistant will be a man. He is our third voice.
Hello there. Can I help you find something today?
Yes, please. I am looking for a t-shirt for my friend. It is for his birthday.
That's very nice of you. We have many styles. Do you know what size he wears?
Yes, he wears a medium.
Okay. And do you have a color in mind? What is his favorite color?
Oh, that's easy. His favorite color is green.
Green is a great choice. We have a few different shades of green.
He likes it because he loves nature and hiking. He spends a lot of time outdoors. So maybe a dark green, like the color of a forest?
That is a great reason. I think I know the perfect one.
This one here is our most popular dark green shirt. People say it reminds them of a pine forest.
Oh, that is perfect. He will absolutely love this. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. I am sure your friend will have a happy birthday.
And we are back. What a great example, Emma.
Thank you. You see, listeners, the shop assistant asked a very natural question. What is his favorite color?
And Emma answered, his favorite color is green. Then she gave a reason, because he loves nature.
This information helped the shop assistant find the perfect shirt. So talking about colors and reasons can be very helpful in real life.
Let's try another situation. This time, let's imagine we are planning to paint a room in my house.
Ooh, that's a big decision. Choosing a paint color is important. Let's say you are talking to a professional painter about your ideas.
Yes, and the painter, a man, is giving me some advice. He will be our third voice.
So, Leo, you want to paint the living room. Do you have any ideas for the color?
I am not sure. It is a big room with a lot of light. I want it to feel comfortable and inviting.
That is a good way to start. How do you want to feel in the room? Relaxed? Energized?
I want it to feel warm and friendly. It is where my family and friends gather.
In that case, I would suggest warm colors. What do you think about a soft yellow or maybe a light orange?
Yellow. My favorite color is yellow.
Why is it your favorite?
I like it because it feels happy and sunny, but maybe it is too bright for a whole room.
Not if you choose a soft, light yellow. It can make the room feel very warm and welcoming, just like you want. It is a happy color, so it is great for a social room like a living room.
I like that idea. A warm, happy, friendly room. Let's look at some soft yellow colors.
Excellent choice. Let me show you some samples.
And that's the end of our scene.
In that conversation, the painter helped me choose a color based on a feeling.
Exactly. You said you wanted the room to feel warm and friendly, and the painter connected that feeling to certain colors, like yellow.
And I explained why I liked yellow, because it feels happy and sunny. He agreed it was a good choice for a living room.
This is a great example of how we use the meaning of colors to make decisions in our lives.
It really is. Okay, let's do one final situation to practice everything one more time.
Let's imagine we are at a flower shop. I want to buy some flowers to make my apartment look nice.
A flower shop is a very colorful place. The florist, a man, will help you choose. He will be our third voice.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Flower Pot. How can I help you today?
Hello. I would just like to buy a small bouquet of flowers for my home. There are so many beautiful options.
We do have a lot of fresh flowers today. Is there a particular color you were looking for?
I am not sure. I just want something that feels cheerful.
For a cheerful feeling, I always recommend yellow or pink flowers. What is your favorite color?
Well, my favorite color is blue, but I find that yellow flowers really brighten up a room.
Why do you say that?
I like yellow flowers because they are so bright. They feel like little pieces of sunshine inside my apartment. They always make me smile.
That is a wonderful reason. In that case, I have some beautiful sunflowers and yellow tulips. They are very cheerful.
Oh, the sunflowers are gorgeous. I will take 3 of those, please. They will make my living room feel so happy.
A perfect choice. I will wrap them up for you.
And we are back.
That was a lovely conversation. The florist helped me choose flowers based on the feeling I wanted.
You wanted a cheerful feeling, and he suggested yellow flowers.
And I explained why I liked them. Because they are so bright. They feel like little pieces of sunshine.
This is a perfect example of using color vocabulary in a simple, everyday situation.
It really is. Okay, I think we have given our listeners a lot of great practice today. Let's do a final review.
A great idea. First, we learned the main question. What is your favorite color?
We learned the simple answer structure, my favorite color is, followed by the color.
And we learned to add a reason using because. I like blue because it is a calm color.
We practiced with several colors and the feelings they can create, like red for energy and green for nature.
And we saw how to use this language in 3 different real-life situations.
Buying a t-shirt as a gift.
Choosing a paint color for a room.
And buying cheerful flowers at a flower shop.
Now it is your turn, listeners. We want you to answer the question for yourself. What is your favorite color?
Try to say the sentence in your head or out loud. My favorite color is...
Now think of your reason. Why do you like it? Try to make the second sentence. I like it because.
Wonderful work today. You are learning how to express your own ideas and feelings, which is a very important part of speaking a language.
We are so proud of your progress. Thank you for joining us on the Love English podcast.
That is all for today's lesson. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.
Great job practicing today. Remember, every minute you spend learning is an investment in your future. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next episode.